Welcome to Bold Street AI, the number one place for real estate professionals to grow their business. Bold Street is an end-to-end sales and marketing platform to drive more investors to your sales, property management, lending, wholesaling, real estate agent business. So let's take a look at how Bold Street works. There's actually four modules. The first part is the core underlying technology, which we'll review in a moment. Then we have the Bold Connect CRM to drive new and existing lead nurturing and generation. Then there's the Bold AI website that can either replace your existing website or be a landing page that seamlessly integrates with your existing website. And finally, it's the Bold off-market marketplace, which is white labeled to your business, allows you to sell inventory within your investor network and even sell and buy from investors in the larger Bold Street network. So let's dive in and take a look at the core technology first. So here's the platform. You can see it's white labeled already. It's branded to this customer. Here we have off-market inventory from the off-market marketplace coming in here, getting automatically underwritten to specific buy boxes. We can also pull in MLS markets if you have access to see those. Then we come in here. Let's take a look at one of these deals. You can see that it's automatically underwritten with net gross cap rates. These are single family homes. The platform is designed for single family. However, we are expanding to land, multifamily, and commercial soon. For those of you that do have land, multifamily, commercial, or other property types that are coming soon into Bold Street, we do have an offline way that we're managing those sales because those sales are happening on the platform. Now, let's take a look in here for the single family. If we go into the property detail of one of these properties, it's going to automatically underwrite it. It's going to pull the comps, both sales and rental comps, and it's going to calculate all of the numbers necessary to see if this is a good investment deal or not. Okay, so here we have a purchase decision matrix. We've got a buy box, a subject property, price, rent, and rehab. We come up with the rent by automatically generating sales and rent comps. If you want to adjust the rent or sales comps, you would just click edit rental and you come in here and you can pick new ones or change the criteria by which comps are selected. In the underwriting, we also calculate all the operating expenses. And then down here, we've got a summary of cash flows as well as annual cash flow projections. We can even take a given investor, and if they have a mortgage rate, this will automatically calculate what the debt service is. So here we can see the numbers are updated, and now down here we see a line item for debt service. One of the ways we recommend marketing to your investors is underwrite a deal and then come here to send to investors and either pick one investor or just take all investors and blast out a deal of the week. This is a great nurturing technique. Now, another thing is that once your investors come in here, they have an investor portal. They get access to much of the same power. They can define all their mortgage criteria. They can adjust price, rent, and rehab. They don't have quite the same power as you do, but they get to see everything as well, and they can communicate with you. Also, they get access to a daily deals email. This is an email that they're going to get sent. This will be branded to you, and they're going to get deals and see the different deals that are possible that fit their specific buy box. Now, if they click on one of these deals, that's going to drop them in to the website. But this is the other part of what we offer. We offer a website that we build to customize to you. It has our plugins in here. That's like an IDX feed, but includes off-market, investor calculators, searching by cap rates. Here we can also pull an off-market or MLS if you have access to that. And then we can see actual details. These properties, these widgets are really lead generation. They're designed to drive leads. You can even target ads here. Down here, we've also got the top 10 deals. These are kind of, again, more things to drive investors in. And this shows investors that you know what you're doing. Again, more lead gen. So this is the website part. This also shows the white labeled aspect of the marketplace. So this is showing on your website. They're sending deals branded to you. So this isn't somebody else's marketplace. This is your marketplace. Finally, we have the Bold Connect CRM, which is everything you'd expect in a CRM: contacts, opportunities, demos, scheduling, all of that. We even have our own automations that nurture leads. You can drop even dirty prop stream lists or whatever you got a list, drop it in here. We've got 7 different steps that send emails and SMS messages that have high deliverability. We have a unique branded domain for you. We go through SMS compliance, and all of this is going to nurture new people. So if you drop in a list of leads, these are going to go through a process, and it will kick out active buyers or sellers. So this is the end-to-end piece of Bold Street. This is the basic functionality. The top ways that people are generating deals is by dropping new lists into this automation. It drives people to your website. In particular, it drives them to this buy box. It's saying, hey, sign up. Do you want to get unique deals? Fill this out. Now it goes into Bold Street. Now they're going to get sent targeted deals that match their buy box. You can also come into Bold Street, send out the deal of the week. All of these things are great ways to nurture investors, generating more activity and sales for you. So sign up for Bold Street now. Come here to getboldstreet.ai. This again reviews everything we talked about here. And at the very bottom, you have 3 different packages. The Bold Pro is everything we talked about. Bold Growth is when you're ready to start really driving leads. This is SEO, so search engine optimization. It's also AIO. This is artificial intelligence optimization, optimizing your website so if people are looking for asking questions about property management or a wholesaler near me, they're going to come and find you. The $14.99 includes the Bold Pro. Finally, we have the Bold Executive, which is where we actually generate leads and send them to you as well. So we recommend the Bold Growth. That's going to include everything we talked about, the whole end-to-end sales and marketing. But in addition, we're going to set you up for success to start driving leads into the front end of the funnel with SEO, AIO. We can do event strategy, webinars, PPC, which is Google AdWords, Meta, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, all of these things, as well as a social strategy. We even have some unique things doing AI digital twins, voice agents, and automations. So book a demo. We'd love to talk with you, learn about your business, your strategy, and we recommend sign up today. Thank you very much.